Hello everyone. Let me tell you about Margaret. Margaret is an elderly lady who lives alone, who has little family, and never got around to doing her medical power of attorney. Unfortunately, Margaret suffers a massive heart attack, and she is placed on a ventilator. But she has left no directions, neither an advance directive, nor does she have an agent under a medical power of attorney who can instruct her medical team as to what to do. She does have a distant relative in a distant state, but they are confused because Margaret and this relative never had a conversation about what Margaret would want in such a circumstance. What happens in Colorado in the absence of a medical power of attorney can be a group of interested persons who chime in as to what somebody would have wanted. In this case, Margaret has friends from church who, knowing she is devout, say do everything possible to keep her alive for as long as possible. Now, this may be something that someone wants, and I don't have any judgment about that. But do we think that Margaret really wanted those people to be making this critical kind of decision for her? I don't think so. And I don't think you think that either. But what we have to do is prepare ourselves for emergent circumstances such as Margaret, or for a slow decline where we don't have capacity to make medical decisions properly. Please join me for a webinar where I talk about this very issue and these kinds of scenarios to help people understand the importance of creating a medical power of attorney and making sure that their agent is aware of how they would like their medical care to go during their last illness. Thank you.